Oriental garden lizard, Calotes versicolor. The Oriental garden lizard, Calotes versicolor, commonly known as the garden lizard or changeable lizard, is one of the most widespread reptiles in South and Southeast Asia, including Sri Lanka. It is well known for its ability to blend into its surroundings and its striking color changes during the breeding season. Key facts: scientific name, Calotes versicolor, common name, Oriental garden lizard, family, Agamidae, average length 25 to 40 centimeters, including the tail, lifespan around 5 to 10 years in the wild. Habitat: these lizards are commonly found in home gardens, forest edges, shrubs and bushes, parks and plantations. They are excellent climbers and spend much of their time on trees, fences, and branches. Diet: Oriental garden lizards are carnivorous and mainly feed on insects, grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, spiders, small worms. They help control insect populations, making them beneficial to gardens and farms. Behavior: active during the daytime, diurnal, they rely on camouflage to avoid predators. Males become brightly colored, often displaying orange or reddish heads during the breeding season to attract females and warn rival males. They quickly climb trees or freeze in place when threatened. Interesting facts: despite their color-changing ability, they are not true chameleons. Their long tail helps them maintain balance while climbing. They have excellent eyesight and can detect moving prey from a distance. They are harmless to humans and are not venomous. Distribution: the Oriental garden lizard is found in Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, and several other Asian countries. This fascinating reptile plays an important role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem by naturally controlling insect populations and is a familiar sight in many tropical gardens.